Now, whatever was protecting man before the flood, whatever it was, might be another idea too, but whatever it was, what about the animals that was living with man? Could they live a long time too? Well, they probably could have, all right? We have reptiles today, like turtles, that actually can live a long, long time, all right? So maybe that's where we're able to get some of those big dinosaurs that we find the fossils of today. You know, we find some huge dinosaurs out there, and it looks like if they were in fact true reptiles that they could probably grow their entire life. Now, they would have a boundary, the total size they could, but some of them it looks like they could grow as long as they were alive. We find animals like that today, like alligators continue to grow and grow and grow, don't they? You know, we look at this picture right here, Ultrasaurus. You know, actually, we can't really show you a picture of Ultrasaurus because all we have actually found is his leg bones. But those leg bones look very much like that of Brachiosaurus, except they're just a whole lot bigger. You know, maybe what we found, guys, is not a different dinosaur in Ultrasaurus. Maybe what we have found is an older dinosaur. Maybe he was an old Brachiosaurus. Maybe he was a granddad. He lived for 1,000 to 1,500 years before the flood came and caught him up. Maybe the Brachiosaurus we see mostly today are just daddies. Maybe they were only 500 years. So maybe that's why we get some of these big differences in sizes of the dinosaurs. Were all dinosaurs big? No. In fact, some of them only grew to be up the size of a chicken. Right?